Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last class what we discussed, exercise problems, right? So up to 14 questions we completed. So next 15 to 20 now we can complete. Okay, see here in that is 15th question is for CBSC and NCERT, but same question, that is a question number 13 for Andhra Pradesh and Telangana state students. Understand? So what we have to do here, what they given, for what value of n or the nth term of two arithmetic progression 63, 65, 67 and 3, 10, 17 is, and so on, equal. So what they are asking here, see here what they are saying. In the first arithmetic progression we have this, right? This is first arithmetic progression. But in second at AP, what they given 3, 10, 17 and so on. If we do both first and second arithmetic progression equal, they are asking which term is an equal number. That means if you have a 10th term is 5 and here 10th term is also a 5 itself. Also 5 itself. Like that, which n, that means for what value of n or the nth term of these two arithmetic progression we have. Okay, if you cannot understand what I am saying, means just watch this video up to end, then you can easily understand. Okay, what is the first arithmetic progression here? I written here. Second arithmetic progression is this is. Okay, what is the first term? This is a is equal to 63. And here a is equal to 3. What is the common difference? D is equal to T2 minus T1. This is T1, T2, T3. T2 minus T1, that is 65 minus 63, we get 2. And here also 10 minus 3, we get 7. Already you know that. Okay, if you don't know how to find the common difference, means please check once introduction part. Okay. Next we need to find term n. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, substitute here a as 63 and d as 2. Understand? Here d is 2. Sorry, I forgot. Okay. And here also same, a is 3 and d is 7. And now according to the condition, what they given, these two arithmetic progressions are equal. Just write down, how can you write this? That is 3 plus n minus 1 into 7 is equal to 63 plus n minus 1 into d. You can write this exchange because those are equal, no? You can write this 63 plus n minus 1 into 2 here. If you want to write this into right side, there is no problem because equal is equal itself, no? You can interchange these two arithmetic progression. There is no problem. Understand? Next what we have to do, see here, 3 plus 7 into n, 7n minus 7 ones are 7 is equal to 63 plus, multiply this 2 into n, 2n minus 2. See, this is in the left side and this is in the right side. Take right side term to left side, then the signs will be changed. That means here we have a plus sign, it will become a minus. Okay. How? 3 plus 7n minus 7. See, plus 63 will become minus 63. Plus 2n will become minus 2n. Minus 2 will become plus 2. We'll get x equal to 0. There is no terms in the right side. Okay. So, now what we have to do here? Check once. See here, if you are getting confusing here, just do like that. Remove this step. Check here, 3 minus 7 what? That is minus 4 plus 7n is equal to 63 minus 2, we get 61 plus 2n. Okay, now you can do before method. That means what I told now. Minus 61 minus 2n. Okay, minus 4 minus 61 minus 65. Okay, plus 7n minus 2n will become plus 7 minus 2 what? 5n. So minus 65. If you need to move to right side, we will get minus 5n. that is equal to minus 5n. See here, minus minus get cancelled. Okay, what we need? N we need. N is equal to 65 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, remaining 1, 5 threes are 15. Therefore, N is equal to 30. What, ma'am? Is this the correct solution? What are you saying? Are you getting? You can check, is this the solution is correct or not? Because what they ask, the 13th term in this first arithmetic progression, the 13th term, and in the second arithmetic progression, the 13th term will be same. They are asking. Is this same or not? Let's check. Okay, it's very amazing. See once. Now check whether the solution is correct or not. If you want to write this explanation, you can. Otherwise, you can skip. Okay. N is equal to 13. See here, N 13th term is equal to what is A? 63 plus what is N? 13 minus 1 into D is 2. So 13th term is equal to 63 plus 12D. 13th term is equal to 63 plus 12 2s are 24. So what is the 13th term here? 87. Okay, 63 plus 24 we get 87. If you keep N is equal to 13 in the second arithmetic progression, if you get same result, then our solution is correct. Otherwise wrong. Let's check. T13 is equal to A plus 13 minus 1 into D. So T13 is equal to what is A here? A is 3 plus 13 minus 1. 12 into what is D? D is 7. 13th term is equal to 3 plus 12 7s are 54. Right? Sorry, 84. I forgot. Okay. 13th term is equal to 84 plus 3 what? 87. See, we are getting same result here. So, our N is equal to 13 is the perfect result for the question number 15. Understand? It's very easy, no? So, let's check the next question. So, what do you want to write the conclusion? For 13th term. For 13th term of 2 arithmetic progressions are is equal. Is equal. This is the conclusion. Okay. See question number 16. For Karnataka, CBSC and NCERT the same question, that is. But Andhra Pradesh and Telangana state students, we have a question number 14. Okay. Question number 14. 6.2 question number 14. What they given? Determine the arithmetic progression whose third term is 16. Okay. T3 is equal to 16. And 7th term exceeds 5th term. See, exceeds means subtract. Subtract term 7, subtract term 5. That is T7 minus T5 will become 12. That means by 12 means by 12. If we want to equal to 1, this equation, what we get here, term 7 minus term 5 is equal to 12 into 1, 12 we get. Okay, already we know the general form of arithmetic progression. You can write here itself. And what we need to find? We need to find the arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. That means we need to find the sequence. Sequence. How we can find? Let's check here. What we have to write here. See. Already we solved these type of methods, no? Are you remembered this? Term 3 is equal to 16. What is 3? Term 3 formula. A plus 2D is equal to 16. What is A here? A is equal to 16 minus 2D. Right? You can keep it as equation number 1. And next see here. Term 7 minus term 5 is equal to 12. So what is term 7 here? A plus 6D minus A plus 5 preceding number. What? 4D is equal to 12. A plus 6D minus A minus into plus, we get minus 4D is equal to 12. Plus here, minus you get cancel. What is 6 minus 4? 6 minus 4 what? 2 and D is common. Write down like that. 2D is equal to 12. 2 ones are 2. 2 6 are 12. 6. What is D? Common difference is 6. Understand? Common difference is 6. Now what we need? We need first term. No, what is the first term here? Now from 1, a is equal to 16 minus 2d. A is equal to 16 minus 2 into, what is d here? D is 6. A is equal to 16 minus 2, 6 are 12. What is 16 minus 12? A is equal to what? 4. Okay. So how can you write this? Hence, required arithmetic progression. What is the form? A plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, and so on. What is a here? A is 4. Write down 4 comma. Okay. See here. A is 4 plus what is d? D is 6. 4 plus 6 will become 10 comma. A is 4 plus 2 into what is d? D is 6. 4 plus 6. 6 into 2 what? 12. 12 plus 4 we need. That is 16. Comma. See, a is 4 plus 3 into 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 4 what? 22. 22. Okay. And so on. So this is the required arithmetic progression. Understand? Before that, pause the video to note down all. See next 17th question. 17th question for 1.2 for only Karnataka, CBSC, NCERT students. But the question number 15 is arithmetic progression, not Andhra Pradesh and Telangana state students. Okay. What they given? 20th term from the end of arithmetic progression. So they given arithmetic progression 3, 8, 13 and so on to 53. What we need to find? From the end of the arithmetic progression, we need to find 20th term, that is T20. How can you solve? First of all, we need to know how many terms we have in this arithmetic progression. How many terms we need to find. That means we need to find what is n. Already they given Tn, that is nth term, that is 253. But we need to know how many terms we have. Okay, number of terms we need to find. Then we can find T20. Okay, let's start. What is the term n formula? Ma? A plus n minus 1 into d. What is Tn here? What is Tn? Tn is equal to 253. That is last term of the arithmetic progression. 253 is equal to A 3 plus n we need to find, so keep as it is, into d is 5. So 253 plus 3 will become minus 3 when we will move to left side, is equal to n minus 1 into 5. Okay. 253 minus 3, what will get? 250 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. See, cancel 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25. 0 as it is. Okay. So what is n minus 1? N minus 1 is equal to 50. Then what is n? 50 minus 1 will become plus 1. Then n is equal to 51. Very, very important. So already we know that. What is the n here? N is 51. What is n here? Number of terms. Number of terms. So we have 51 terms. In that 51 terms, we need to find 28th term from the last. Are you getting? So how can you find now? Any idea? See here. The clear explanation I am giving you. What we have to find? 28th term from the last. So we have a 51 terms. How will get here 51? Because we find n is equal to 51. So I written here 51 terms here I written. So what is the 20th term from the end? That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this is the 20th term from the last. From the last. So we need to find T32. T32. What is the formula of T32? A plus 32, preceding number of 32 is 31D. If you find out the A term 32, we will get the answer. Are you understanding? Ma'am, this is a long process. How can you find, ma'am? Is there any trick to? Is there any trick? Yes, we have a trick. Nothing we can do. See here, 28th term from the last term out of 51 terms. That is, how can you do? See, total, how many terms we have? We have 51 terms. Just subtract that. So, what we need to find? We need to find a 28th term. We need to find 28th term. Okay, just subtract 1. 20 minus 1, what? 19. So, 51 minus 19. See, simple. 32 we get. Okay, it's very simple, no? If you are writing numbers, then it will take so much time. It's very long time. Just simple, you can do like that. Understand? So, next what we have to write here? The term 32 term we need to find. What is the formula? I told you before. That is A plus 31D. That is equal to, what is A? A is 3. 3 plus 31 into D. Common difference. What? 5. So 3 plus 31, 5s are. 3 5s are 15. 3 5 1s are 5. 155 we have. So what is our answer? 155 plus 3. 158. Okay. Term 32 is equal to 158. So what can you write here? The conclusion. Therefore, 20th term from the last is 158. Very simple, no? So let's take next question. For next 18th question, this is a Karnataka and CBSC NCERT, but question number 16 for Andhra Pradesh and Telangana state students. Okay? See, it's very easy question. The sum of 4th and 8th term of an arithmetic progression is 24. Sum means what? Adding the 4th and 8th term. That means T4 plus T8 is equal to, of an arithmetic progression is what? 24 is 24. Okay. And the sum of 6th term and 10th term will be 44. So what they are asking, find the first 3 terms of an arithmetic progression. We need to find the first 3 terms of an arithmetic progression. How can we find? First of all, we need to find what is the first term and what is the common difference. Then how can you find it? See, very simple. The term 4 can be written as A plus 3D. Okay. Term 8 can be written as A plus 7D is equal to 24. So, A plus A, 2D, 2A. 2A plus 3D plus 7D, 10D is equal to 20. See, again I am saying A plus A, 2A plus 3 plus 7, we get 10D is equal to 24. See, here we are dividing to both sides. So, what we get? 2A divided by 2 plus 10D divided by 2 is equal to 24 divided by 2. 2 get cancelled. 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. That means 12 we get here. So A plus 5D is equal to 12. Then what is A? A is equal to 12 minus 5D. See, plus D will become minus D when we move to the right side. Okay. Next. Same process for term 6 plus term 10. What is term 6? A plus 5D plus A plus 9D is equal to 44. A plus A, 2D. 5 plus 9, 14D is equal to 44. Again you can divide by 2. Why, ma'am? Why are dividing by 2 itself? Why don't we divide 3? Why means we need to get sorry, here not D, here A. Okay. Okay. Because we need to get coefficient of A will be 1. See here, coefficient of A is 2, no? So if we need to divide by 2, then our coefficient of A will get a 1. Will become 1. Okay. So what we'll get here? I'm writing here. A plus 7D is equal to 22. Is it correct? You can divide by 2 on both sides. We'll get like this. Substitute A is equal to 12 minus 5D. You can keep equation 1 in 1. What we get here? What is A? 12 minus 5D, is equal to, 12 minus 5D plus 14D is equal to 44. So 12 minus 5D plus 14D. See here we are mistaking. See here 7D, not 14D. This is 7D. A is 12 minus 5D plus 7D is equal to 22. Is equal to 22. Please adjust. 12 minus 5D plus 7D. What is our answer? Plus 2D. Plus 2D is equal to 22. So 2D is equal to 22 plus 12 will become minus 12. 2D is equal to 22 minus 2, 12. We get 10. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. D is equal to 5. D is equal to what? 5. Okay. So now come here. You'll keep put D is equal to 5. Put D is equal to 5 in star. Just keep this as equation star. Okay. A is equal to 12 minus 5 into D is 5. A is equal to 12 minus 25. What is our result here? 12 minus 25 we get minus 13. A is equal to minus 13. So now easily you can find out what is the first 3 terms of the arithmetic progression. So you can write here. Note down this. Now the first 3 terms of arithmetic progressions are A plus D, A plus 2D. Already we know this is the general term. What is A? Minus 13. And what is D? 5. So substitute here. A is minus 13 plus 5. Minus 13 plus 2 into D is 5. So minus 13 comma. Minus 13 plus 5 will become minus 8 comma. Minus 13 plus 2 5s are what? 10. That means minus 13 plus 10 will become minus 3. Okay, these are the first 3 terms of an arithmetic progression. Understand? Please pause the video to note down. Please pause the video to note down. Let's move for next 19th question. What they given here? Check. What they given for next question? Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of 5,000 rupees. In the first year, that is 1995, in the year of 1995, Subbarao got 5,000 rupees. But yearly his increment is 200 rupees. Then what about in 1996? What about 1996? In 1996, Subbarao's payment will be 5,000 plus 200. What is 200 here? Increment this is. So before salary he is having 5,000 rupees plus increment, that is 200. So what is 5,000 plus 200? That is 5,200 rupees. And what about next year? Again you have to add 200 in the year 1997. So we'll get 5,400. And what about 1997? In 1997 we'll get 5,400 plus 2. 600. 5,600 will get. Okay. At last, in the year ending, in which year did his income reach 7,000? So what they are asking the question? In which year did his income reach 7,000? We need to find this. कौन सी ईयर में 7,000 सुब्बाराव को मिलेंगे? यही है ना क्वेश्चन. तो कैसे फाइंड करेंगे हम इसको? बताओ ना. For that, we need to find number of terms we need to find. That means n. Small n we need to find. So this is term 1, term 2, term 3. This is nth term. Nth term. So what is the first term? That is a is equal to 5000 and common difference d is equal to t2 minus t1. That is 5200 minus 5000. What will get here? 200. Understand? So let's start. What is how to find n here? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. See, we need to find n. What is Tn? Is 7000. You can write here Tn is equal to 7000 is equal to, what is the first term? 5000 plus we need to n, so keep n like that itself, minus 1 into d is 200. 7000 is minus 5000, because 5000 we need to get in the left side, then plus 5000 will become minus 5000 is equal to n minus 1 into 200. 7000 minus 5000 will become what? 2000. 2000 is equal to n minus 1 into 200. See, you can cancel 2 zeros here and remaining 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20. Okay, so n minus 1 is equal to 10, then n is equal to 10 plus 1, because minus 1 will become plus 1 when we move to right side. So 11. That is n is equal to 11. N is equal to 11 we get here. So what can you write here in the conclusion, ma? Before going to write the conclusion, first of all you need to find in which year Subba Rao got 7000 rupees. Then how can you find this? Do you have any idea? So nothing doing here. Already we get here n is equal to 11. That means we have 11 terms here. We have 11 term. Just write here. So 5000, that is term 1. In which year we got? This is 1995. And here 196, 97 and 2000. 98, 99. After that 2000 we get here. And 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008. See here. What we need? We need a 11th term here. See here, n is equal to 11 we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is a 2005. In 2005, Subba Rao got 7000 rupees. Are you getting? So that one only you have to write the conclusion. So what you have to write here? Subba Rao salary will become 7000 in the year 2005. Otherwise you can write like this. In the year 2005, Subba Rao's salary become 7000. Very simple, no? Let's start next question. Last question. See, this question is also same before what we did. Ram Kali saved 5 rupees in the first week of year. And before that, this question is not for Andhra Pradesh and Telangana state people. Okay, this is only for CBSC and NCERT and also Karnataka state board syllabus students. Ram Kali saved 5 rupees in the first week of a year and then increased by her weekly savings by 1.5 rupees. 1.5 rupees. See, the savings in the first week, she get 5 rupees and the next week 5 rupees plus 1.75 rupees. Then it will become a 6.75 rupees. That means she get next week 1.75 rupees increased. That means 5 plus 1.75 will become 6.75 rupees, right? And what about next week? She get, and also next week she will increase it by 1.75 rupees itself. That means 6.75 plus 1.75 is equal to 8.5 rupees. So why don't you write in the arithmetic progression? That is, in the first week she get 5 rupees, next 6.75 and next 8.5 and so on. And finally, and the last week, that is nth week, last week, this is nth week, she get a savings becomes 20.75 rupees, 75 rupees, 20.75 1.75 rupees. So this is the nth term, this is the first term. Write down first term here. First term A is equal to 5. And what is the common difference here? 6.75 minus 5. Do you know how to do this? Common difference is T2 minus T1. 6.75 minus 5. What is this? 1.75. Okay. 6 minus 5 we get 1 and 75 as it is I written here. Understand? What is the nth term here? A plus n minus 1 into D. Already we know Tn is equal to 20.75. So write down here. 20.75 is equal to, what is A? A is 5 plus we need to find n. No? So write as it is. And what is D? Common difference is 1.75. So next what is the process? 20.75 plus 5 will become minus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into 1.75, right? What is 20.75 minus 5? We get a 15.75 is equal to n minus 1 into 1.75. So next process is n minus 1 is equal to this 15.75 divided by 1.75. Okay, so you can cancel this point. You can write like this: 1575 divided by 175. So cancel 175 ones are 175, 175 nines are 1575. If you don't know how to cancel, means you can division. You can divide 175 like this. You can divide. You get a coefficient, some coefficient. Okay. So n minus 1 is equal to what? 9. What is n here? 9 plus 1. So n is equal to 10. Understand? It's very easy and very simple. So they asked to find n. So our n is 10. So please pause the video to note down all. Pause the video to note down all. And thanks for watching up to now. And before that, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to like and share my video. Thank you. Bye-bye. And before that, one thing I need to say you, the description videos. I already keep the description link here. That means basic maths and tricks of maths. And you must watch that video. Okay, those are the basics. Okay, so bye-bye.